Do you need a good car wash?
Well, bro, get the water hose ready, cause there's another one coming.
Hey, dude, we gotta get this done before school.
Time's up, dude! Bro, what are you doing? You forgot to put the soapy stuff in. Nah, man, we ran out of soap hours ago. Now we're using dish soap.
Whoa, dude, genius idea. This soap is completely cheaper.
Yeah, man, it tastes good too.
Yeah, man, this soap tastes like nature, man. Nature, man. Nature, man. Nature, man. Yeah, man.
Don't get a car wash like this. Get a car wash like this.
If everybody had a nose.
The OCHS car wash will take place May 21st at Grocery Outlet.
Be served like California.
The price of admission will be $5, and all money collected will be going to food donations.
Warachi sandals too. A bushy blonde hairdo.